Hey guys, welcome back to Invest Day. It's been a hot minute, so thanks for coming back. We're filling in the question, and with the economy these days, a lot of people are asking how to invest specific asset class. So one question here is, if you had $5 million cash on hand, what would you rather invest in? Car wash, strip mall, multifamily units, or industrial? Interesting question, right? Because car wash is a business. Strip mall, we call them retail, inline spaces. That's going to be triple net retail. Multifamily units, apartments, and industrial. It could be light manufacturing or it can be logistics like Amazon, Targets of the world. So variety of things. A lot of it is multi and one is business. So I'll start with the car wash. It's a big trend. I mean, even as a real estate owner, we're getting approached by a lot of the car wash, the automatic car wash corporations and companies. They want to take your land and develop and use it as a car wash. It's a good business. I think if you're able to do that and sell that real estate, there's a pretty good cap rate on it. There's other thing that goes with it if you're going to invest as a real estate, because with car washes, they use chemicals to wash your car. If you guys ever went to a car wash to Circle K or anything you do, even at 7-Eleven. So in California and other states, I can't say about all the states, but there's environmental EPA regulations. So there's going to be a lot of groundwater, like things that you have to recapture a lot of the soaps and those chemicals because you don't want that to go down to the storm drain. So usually when you're selling it, there's going to be some environmental impact. So if you do buy it, you should sell it right away before, there's years of usage on that. It's a pretty good investment. And I'll just leave it at that and come back to a strip mall, inline retail spaces. If you're on Main, good location, that's fine. There is going to be $5 million if that's all it is. You need to buy the asset, not for all $5 million, because depending if it's vacant, if it is renovation, if it's a value add opportunistic, some of those cash has to be set aside for what we call good news funding, which is leasing costs, tenant improvements to renovate and things like that. Look, I mean, most value add opportunistic retail, really looking at mid-teens return, and multifamily units still pretty strong. It's going to be the most compressed cap rate still. Most investors understand multifamily apartments more than any asset class, so you're still competing with a lot of developers, mom and pop operators, and funds. So it's going to be the most competitive. And industrial, same thing. Industrial triple net is great if you could get Amazon, Target, those high investment grade tenants in there, because that's going to get the most value for you. If not, you probably have to get a smaller asset with multi-tenant in it, which is still very good, but it's a little bit more hands-on. So to answer all your questions, these are all individual assets that's going to be good for investment purposes, depending on your appetite and also your expertise. One thing you do really look at is maybe T-bills, all right? It's something that's very passive is you take that money and you buy bonds, T-notes, T-bills. That's pretty good yields these days, given our interest rate. So that's really a passive one that could be comparable to strip malls and a few other things. But I mean, strip malls, multifamily, industrial, car wash, all going to have better returns because you have to actively work towards that. So with the $5 million on hand, me being a real estate person, I will touch all. Strip mall, multifamily, or industrial. Whatever can stretch or whatever has the best value. Hopefully that could answer that question for you. And if you have, after checking out our channel, if you have any questions, add comments, we will address that directly to you. Thank you very much.